Hello, I'm John Vincent Triambilio and I'll be explaining our laboratory activity 7, Even Symmetry Digital Signal. The purpose of this activity is to generate and plot signals that show even symmetry using Python and to verify this property both numerically and graphically. A signal is said to have even symmetry when x of negative n equals x of n. This means that the signal is mirrored perfectly around the vertical axis, or n equals 0. In other words, the right side of the signal looks exactly the same as the left side. In Fourier series, even symmetry signals only contain cosine terms. Since cosine is an even function, even symmetry is commonly used in compression, filtering, and image processing because of its predictable and balanced shape. In this activity, I use Python to generate two examples of even symmetric signals, a cosine wave and a quadratic function. I first defined a range of values from -10 to +10. Then I created the first signal using the equation cosine of 0.3 pi and the second signal as an n squared. When I plotted both signals, I observed that they were mirror images along the vertical axis. The cosine wave repeated smoothly on both sides of 0, while the quadratic function formed a symmetrical U-shape that looked identical on the left and right. To verify this numerical, I used the numpy flip function to reverse the signal and check if the reverse version was equal to the original. Using the all-close function, both checks returned true, which confirmed that the cosine and quadratic signals indeed have even symmetry. From the plots, I clearly saw that even symmetric signals have equal values at opposite points. For example, the value at n equals 5 is the same as at n equals -5. This symmetry makes the signals balanced and easier to analyze compared to odd symmetry, which inverts across the origin. Even symmetry mirrors across the vertical axis without changing the sign of the amplitude. This explains why even signals include only cosine terms in their Fourier representation, because cosine is even and its symmetry matches perfectly with the signal. In conclusion, this activity helped me understand the concept of even symmetry and how to visualize it using Python. By generating and verifying signals, the cosine wave and quadratic function, I learned that even symmetric signal are identical on both sides of the vertical axis and contains only cosine and components in their frequency representation. This concept is very useful in communication systems and image processing. And in designing asymmetric digital filters, overall, this activity deepened my understanding of how symmetry affects the structure and behavior of signals in digital processing.